Car hacks no one knows about. Use them. Drivers only use about 50% of the features their cars actually have. That means your vehicle might already have hidden tricks that save you money, make driving safer, and even add comfort you never imagined. In today's video, I'm revealing 15 secret car hacks no one knows about, including one at the end that could save you thousands in unnecessary repairs. Some of these hacks are life-saving, some are just brilliant time savers, and all of them will make you look at your car in a brand new way. So buckle up, hit that like button if you love discovering car secrets, and let's dive in. Hack 15. Sliding sun visor trick. Driving west at sunset? Blinding sun rays can be more dangerous than fog or rain. But here's the secret. Many sun visors actually slide out or have hidden extensions. Pull it to the side and you instantly block that harsh glare. This small adjustment prevents squinting, keeps your eyes relaxed, and most importantly reduces accident risk. According to safety studies, sun glare contributes to over 3,000 accidents per year in the US alone. And yet most drivers never realize their car already has the solution built in. Hack 14. Rear view mirror night mode. Ever notice the tiny tab at the bottom of your mirror? Flip it at night, and it tilts the mirror slightly, cutting down the brightness of headlights behind you. On newer cars, this is replaced with auto-dimming technology that uses sensors. It's one of those features you'll never appreciate until that one long highway drive when the car behind you has its brights on. It makes your night drive calmer, clearer, and much safer. Hack 13. Grocery hook hack. Here's one for everyday life. Many cars hide small grocery hooks in the trunk, glove box, or even in the back of seats. They're designed to hold bags upright so your groceries don't roll around. Spilled milk? Exploded soda cans? Gone. Pro tip, you can also use these hooks as makeshift trash holders on long trips. Just hang a reusable bag, and you've got a clean, organized car. Hack 12. Cabin filter replacement. This one could save you serious money. Behind most glove boxes is a cabin air filter that purifies the air you breathe inside your car. Dealerships charge $50 $100 to replace it, but you can do it yourself in under 5 minutes. Most filters cost just $10-20 online. Even better, changing it boosts active performance and removes odors. According to AAA, replacing clogged cabin filters can improve airflow efficiency by 10-15%, which means cooler summers and warmer winters at no extra cost. Hack 11. Hidden sunglass storage compartment. That little sunglasses holder near the roof? It's not just for shades. Many drivers use it as a hidden storage spot for spare toll cash, parking cards, or emergency money. The best part? Thieves rarely check these compartments first, making it a surprisingly secure little vault for small valuables. Hack 10. Seatbelt height adjuster. Look at the side pillars of your car. Many have a small button or slider that lets you raise or lower the seatbelt anchor. Why does this matter? Because a poorly positioned seatbelt can sit across your neck instead of your shoulder. In a collision, that increases injury risk. Adjusting it properly not only makes you more comfortable, but can also improve safety by up to 45% in crash scenarios, according to NHTSA data. Hack 9. Sunroof vent mode. Think sunroofs are only for enjoying the sky? Think again. Most have a tilt-only vent mode, which lifts the rear slightly. This acts like a chimney, letting hot air escape while you drive without the noise or drag of open windows. It's one of the fastest natural ways to cool your car on a scorching day, and it saves fuel by reducing your AC's workload. Hack 8. Headlight washer jets. Safety spin. Luxury cars often have little round nozzles next to the headlights. They're not design gimmicks, they're headlight washers. Why so important? Studies show dirty headlights can reduce brightness by up to 40%. That's like swapping your LED headlights for dim candles. These washers blast away dirt, salt, or slush, giving you maximum visibility at night or in storms. Safety hiding in plain sight. Hack 7. Hidden steering wheel functions. Steering wheel buttons aren't as simple as they look. Many have long press or double tap shortcuts. For example, holding the voice command button longer may unlock advanced features, while double tapping next track might skip entire playlists. The real benefit? Less time fumbling with your infotainment screen, and more time focusing on the road. Some cars even allow you to customize these shortcuts, turning your steering wheel into a personal control center. Hack 6. Gas cap tread checker. Most people see the gas cap as, well, just a cap, but in many cars, it doubles as a tire tread checker. Those little ridges on the back? Insert them into your tire grooves to instantly see if your tires are too worn. Considering bald tires increase braking distance by 20% or more, this tiny hidden tool is like carrying a mini safety inspector every time you refuel. Hack 6. Adjustable cup holders. Ever spilled coffee on your seats? Many cup holders are actually expandable. Look closely and you'll find sliding tabs or hidden arms inside. They grip everything from an espresso cup to a giant water bottle. It's a simple feature, but it means fewer spills, cleaner interiors, and less money spent on detailing. Hack 6. Key fob climate control. Your car key does more than lock and unlock. In many vehicles, holding the unlock button for 5 to 10 seconds rolls down all windows. Perfect for cooling down a scorching car before you even step inside. Some models even let you close all windows with the lock button. Think of it as your portable climate control system, ready to keep you comfortable before you drive. Hack 6.3. Hidden cooler compartments. Forget hauling bulky coolers. Some cars secretly channel AC airflow into glove boxes or center consoles, turning them into mini fridges. That means chilled drinks on summer road trips, or fresh snacks without wasting trunk space. High-end models even include temperature controls, but even regular sedans often have this hidden feature. You just need to look closely. Hack 6.2. Climate control reset. Does your AC feel weak? Don't rush to a mechanic just yet. Many vehicles allow you to reset the HVA system by pressing specific button combos, like holding recirculation plus max AC for 5 to 10 seconds. This clears the memory and recalibrates sensors. Drivers report temperature improvements of up to 10 FFF after the reset. It's like giving your AC a factory refresh at zero cost. Hack 1. Remote diagnostics backdoor. And finally, the most powerful hack of them all. Many cars have hidden diagnostic menus, usually accessed by holding the odometer reset button while turning the key to O on. Once inside, you can see error codes, live sensor data, and performance logs, the same information mechanics get from expensive scanners. Imagine your check engine light comes on. Instead of panicking, you check the code yourself. Maybe it's just a loose gas cap, not a $2,000 repair. This hack puts the power back in your hands. Conclusion. So there you have it, 15 secret car hacks hiding in plain sight. Some are safety lifesavers, some will save you money, and a few will just make driving more fun. Now I want to hear from you. Which hack surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments below. And if this video gave you at least one useful trick, hit that like button. It helps more drivers discover these hidden features. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with someone who loves cars. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.